For centuries, we watched the universe in total silence, like a silent film.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
But on August 17th, 2017, the universe finally got its sound. A ripple in space-time arrived at Earth, followed 1.7 seconds later by a flash of light. This was GW 170817, the collision that changed astronomy forever. The stars involved were neutron stars, the collapsed cores of dead giants. Imagine two objects with more mass than our sun, but only the size of a city, dancing a lethal tango. For 130 million years, they spiraled inward, losing energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the very fabric of reality. As predicted by Einstein, when they finally touched, they didn't just explode, they forged. This was a kilonova. According to the groundbreaking research published in Physical Review Letters, the heat and pressure were so intense that they actually cooked new atoms. This single event created several Earth masses worth of gold and platinum. Your wedding ring? It likely started in a crash just like this. This was the birth of multi-messenger astronomy. For the first time, we heard the event through gravitational waves and saw it with light. Over 70 observatories on Earth and in space turned their eyes toward galaxy NGC 4993. It was the most studied astronomical event in human history, confirming that gravitational waves travel at the speed of light. The debris from this collision will eventually become part of new stars and planets. This collision didn't just shake the universe, it seeded it with the ingredients for technology and jewelry. We are literally made of, and surrounded by, the wreckage of dead stars. Knowing that the gold on Earth came from a massive star crashed millions of light years away, does it make your jewelry feel more precious or just more terrifying? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe for more stories that shake the world.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.